Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Loylin B. Lumugdang, 42 years old, happily married with one daughter. Her name, Rain Lian B. Lumugdang, 8 years old. My husband name is Rainy E. Lumugdang, 46 years old, a farmer. We live together in Santo Niño, South Cotabato, Philippines. I am a second child of 6 siblings with 1 older sister and 4 younger brother. My religion is a Baptist. I am college level, taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. My previous work experience are, I have 3 employers in Taiwan and 1 employer in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. My first employer in Taiwan, that was 2006 to 2008. Their house is a flat house, 2 rooms and 1 toilet. I served 2 family members, the grandmother who are 72 years old and the grandfather is 76 years old. The grandfather is a bedridden person. My main duties and responsibilities are, I do suction machine for the grandfather. I help him to feeding a milk through NGT tube. I do household chores like cooking, mop and sweeping the floors, cleaning the rooms and the bathrooms, marketing, wash the dishes, and washing the clothes. My second employer, that was 2008 to 2011. Their house is a flat house with 2 rooms and 1 toilet. I serve 2 people, the grandmother who are 70 years old and the grandfather is 78 years old. I help them to go in the hospital for checkup. I do household chores like marketing, cooking, cleaning the rooms and the bathroom, wash the dishes, preparing meal, and to go marketing. My third employer, that was 2012. I just worked a couple of months. I just taking care the grandmother who are 82 years old. I do exercise for her. I go to the hospital for checkup. I do household chores like cooking, washing, cleaning the house, marketing, mop and sweeping the floors. My fourth employer, that was 2018 to 2022. Their house is a flat house with 2 rooms and 1 toilet. I serve 1 people, the grandmother who are 66 years old. I taking care to go in the hospital for checkup. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning the rooms and the bathrooms, marketing, wash the dishes, preparing meals, and watering the plants. To my prospect and future employer, I will do my best to manage your home and kids, and I do respect your house rules, and I assure you that I am trustworthy, honest, loving, and humble. I am happy to serve you, my future employer. Thank you and God bless.